If you are in need of precise square bottom box joints, look no further than Freud's SBOX8 box joints cutter set, available in an 8-inch set. The SBOX8 produces precise joints quick and clean the first time, in soft or hard wood, without the need of a dado set or a saw blade. It features Freud's TiCo high-density cross-cutting carbide for ultimate cuts, and is coated with a silver ice coating that resists pitch buildup, heat, and corrosion up to 2 times longer than standard polished blades. The box set also comes with Freud's anti-kickback design to prevent overfeeding of material. The SBOX8 comes with instructions for building a box joint jig and making box joints, and is for users who need a standard increments of 1/4 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch joints. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.